Very good morning, my dear students of class 10th. Please open the drama book, The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, line number 150. Portia's speech here. Portia says, "You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am." She says, "You see me, Lord Bassanio, as I stand here, as I am in reality. I have no ambition for myself." She says, "Though for myself alone," she says here, "I have no ambition, as I am in reality. I have no ambition for myself to be better. I would not be ambitious in my wish, to wish myself much better. Yet for you I would be troubled 20 times myself." She says here, "I have no ambition for myself to be better, but for your sake I wish myself to be much better." Here she says, "Yet for you I would be troubled 20 times myself, 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich." She says, "I wish that I might be 60 times myself. I might be 60 times myself, 1,000 times more beautiful, 10,000 times more rich than I am. If you wish that only to stand high in your account, I might in virtues, beauties, livings, friends exceed account." She says here, "I wish to stand respectable. I wish to stand respectable in your eyes. I might be worth more than what one can be in terms of virtues, beauty, property, and friends. But the full sum of me is sum of something, which to term in gross is an unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed. Happy in this, she is not yet so old, but she may learn." She says here, Portia says here, that but the sum total of myself is total of something which may be expressed briefly as an inexperienced, untrained, and uneducated girl. I am glad that I am young enough." She says here, happy in this, she is not yet so old, but she may learn. I am glad that I am young enough to learn. Happier because happy, she says here, happiest of all this. She says, but she may learn happier than this. She is not bred so dull, but she can learn. She says, I am glad that I am young enough to learn. Happier because I am not so slow in nature that I cannot learn. I can learn everything. Happiest of all because I have a gentle disposition. She says that she has a gentle spirit. Happiest of all is that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed as from her Lord, her Governor, her King. She says here, I am glad that I am young enough to learn. Happier because I am not so slow in nature that I cannot learn. Happiest of all because I have a gentle disposition that I entrust myself to you to be guided as if by its Lord, Governor, and King. myself and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. And I and all my possessions, whatever I have, now become yours. Converted, become yours. But now I was the lord of the fair mansion, master of my servants, queen over myself. And even now, but now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my lord. Portia says, a little while ago, I ruled over this house, this mansion, this palace, and have been the mistress of all my servants and the mistress of my body and soul. However, now at this moment, the mansion, the servants, and myself are yours. She says, I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away. Students, this is a very important line. When you part from, lose or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love and be my vantage to exclaim on you. She says, I offer them to you with this ring, all these things. I offer to you with this ring. When you part with it or lose it or give it away, that will be a sign that your love for me is dead and an opportunity for me to accuse you for that. Bassanio says, Madam, you have bereft me of all words, only my blood speaks to you in my veins. Madam, you deprive me of words, I am speechless. Only my blood running in my veins speaks to you. And there is such confusion in my powers as after some oration fairly spoke by a beloved prince, there doth appear among the buzzing pleased multitude. He says, and there is so much confusion in my thoughts, like the one that follows after the speech of a beloved prince, amid an applause of a delighted audience, where every something being blended together turns to a while of nothing save of joy, expressed and not expressed. He says, where every feeling blended together, mixed together, produces a wild confusion, expressing nothing but joy, which again just cannot be expressed. The joy cannot be expressed, but when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hands, oh, then be bold to say, Bassanio is dead. He says, but when this ring leaves my finger, may it be only due to my death, you may say with certainty that Bassanio is dead. What happens after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.